Imagine you're sitting at home, minding your own business. Suddenly, a notification pops up on your phone. You've received a payment of 100 Beam. What would you do? Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that allows you to send and receive payments without revealing your identity. And if you're wondering how to get your hands on some, you've come to the right place. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly understand why Beam is so special. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Beam uses a technology called Mimblewimble that ensures your transactions remain private. This means no one can track your spending habits or know how much money you have. Now, let's get to the good stuff, how to put money on your Beam wallet. There are two main ways to do this. Buying Beam directly. Choose a reputable exchange. Look for a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam trading. Some popular options include Binance, KuCoin, and Gate.io. Create an account, sign up for an account on the exchange, and verify your identity. Deposit funds. Fund your account with fiat currency like USD, Euro, or NGN using a bank transfer, credit card, or other supported methods. Buy Beam. Once your funds are deposited, search for Beam and place a buy order. The exchange will match your order with a seller, and you'll receive Beam in your wallet. Receiving Beam from others. Generate a Beam address. Your Beam wallet will provide you with a unique address. Share this address with anyone who wants to send you Beam. Wait for the transaction. Once the sender initiates the transfer, it should appear in your wallet within a few minutes. Additional tips. Security first. Always keep your Beam wallet secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. Understand fees. When sending or receiving Beam, there are typically network fees involved. These fees vary depending on network congestion. Store your private key safely. Your private key is essential for accessing your Beam funds. Never share it with anyone, and consider storing it offline in a secure location. So there you have it. Putting money on your Beam wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Remember, privacy is a fundamental right, and Beam empowers you to take control of your financial data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.